In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Facebook video frame or thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. First, go ahead and open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that manages the Facebook page where your video is posted. Meta Business Suite is the central hub for managing your page's content, messages, and insights. And this is where we'll be working for the entire process. Now, there's one really important limitation you need to know about before we dive in. Once a video has been fully uploaded and published, Facebook does not let you change the thumbnail or anything related to the media on that existing post. That means if you already posted your video and want a new thumbnail, you'll have to delete that original video post and then re-upload it with the correct thumbnail settings. So, decide whether you're okay losing the current views, comments, and engagement on that post before you delete it. After that's clear, in the left-hand menu inside Meta Business Suite, look for the section called Content and click on it. This is where you can see all of your published posts, scheduled posts, reels, and drafts. We're going to use this area to create a new post that allows thumbnail control. Instead of choosing the regular Create Post option, which unfortunately doesn't provide any thumbnail or frame options for standard videos, you need to click on Create Reel. This is crucial. The thumbnail tools are available in the Reel Composer, not in the standard Video Post Composer. Once the Reel Composer opens, click on Add Video. From here, select the video file from your device that you want to upload. Wait for it to finish uploading and processing. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take a moment. After the video is loaded, scroll down until you see the thumbnail section. Here, click on Upload Image if you already have a custom thumbnail saved on your computer. This is perfect if you've designed a specific cover image in a tool like Canva or another editor. If you don't have a custom image ready, you can click on Choose Suggested and pick one of the automatically generated thumbnails from your video. Or, if you want even more control, choose the option to select a specific frame from the video itself. Adjust until you find the frame that best represents your content, then save and publish your reel with the new thumbnail in place.